Hello all, welcome back to the channel. In this session, let us see the next example on projection of lines. The question is like this. Draw the projections of a straight line AB 100 mm long, inclined at 45 degrees to HP and 30 degrees to VP. The end A is in HP and end B is in VP. Find the shortest distance between the straight line AB and the line of intersection of planes of projection. First, let us take the data towards the side of the paper. The data clearly says there is a straight line AB 100 mm long. This line is inclined at 45 degrees to HP and 30 degrees to VP. We know the fact that any inclination with respect to HP should be drawn under VP and any inclination with respect to VP should be drawn under HP. That means to say that the line is the true length. True length representation is A-B1- or AB2. A-B1- representation in the front view, AB2 representation in the top view. If the given length 100 mm long is the true length, means it is understood that these two are the true inclinations. Generally, this would be the angle theta followed by this is the angle phi. Keeping this minimum data, we are supposed to find out the shortest distance. But what is that one more important data we are left out? End A is in HP and end B is in VP. Generally in the previous problem what we have solved, we used to find out the apparent length or the apparent inclinations or something like that. In this case, we need not find out the apparent length or the apparent inclination. We are supposed to find out the shortest distance. First clarity we should have in the mind here is, whenever the shortest distance means we should obtain the profile plane. With this data, let us obtain the solution. I will be making use of grid sheet here. First, let us obtain the straight line with a minimum thickness. I will call this line as X and Y. This would be VP and HP representing first angle projection. I will start from this particular data. That is, B is in VP and I will be considering VP inclination that has to be shown under HP, that is 30 degrees. How do we proceed? Take any convenient point, call this point as B as of now. Place your protractor here. I am moving below the XY line. Henceforth, I wanted VP inclination. With respect to VP, the angle of inclination is 30 degrees. Mark the point and draw a line. What is the length of the line? We do not know. First thing is, let us draw the line. Make use of a compass. Measure
10 centimeters in the normal scale.
The reason because the straight line given here is 100 mm. We can clearly see here. 100 mm. B as the center, cut an arc on the 30 degree line. Now, don't you think we have got a new locus here? Exactly. At this intersection point, let us draw one locus line. Big line, small line, big line and a small line. If this is the point B, this would be the point A. And this would be the locus of point A in top view. I will update the angular dimension. If this angle is 30 degree, even this would be 30 degree for the reason both are alternate angles. At this intersection point, draw one straight line till it touches the XY line. Let us call this point as point A dash. So it is satisfying the condition saying that end A is in HP and end B is in VP. That means to say that end A and end B are along the common XY line. Since initially we mentioned that it is a straight line A dash, B1 dash and AB2, this should be AB2. Now make use of your protractor. Consider one more angle, that is 45 degrees to HP should be drawn under VP. Place your protractor on point A dash, mark 45 degrees and draw a line. And this angle of inclination is 45 degree. I will update it. This is the angle theta and this is the angle phi. Once again, make use of 100 mm, that is 10 centimeters in your normal scale. Cut an arc. This intersection would give us the new locus. Since this is the point A dash, this should be B1 dash. As already we have mentioned in the data, A dash, B1 dash. Henceforth, now this would be locus of point B in front view. Whenever we are having a true length has to be projected. And that has to be rotated. Thereby, we are getting the apparent length. Please follow this methodology to solve any projection of straight lines example. Yes, we are having a true length here. So from this intersection point, drop a projection line. Once again, minimum thickness. The question is till where the projection line? We are starting from a point B locus and end at point A locus. We are starting from front view and end at top view point. It's something like opposite locus and opposite views. Now, make use of compass to obtain the rotation. Point A as the center and this point, the end point as the radius, construct an arc. This arc would now intersect the XY line. As per our methodology, whenever we are having a true length, we should project it, rotate it to get the apparent length. This intersection point to the original point, point A, we get the apparent length. And this would be the point B. Now, we are having one more true length here. Point A dash as the center, A dash B2 as the radius. No need of projection. Go for rotation. So this rotation will intersect the topmost locus at one point. Thereby, we are getting the apparent length. This would be the point B dash. And this would be the angle alpha. Of course, in the question, you need not find out this one, but we can show in the representation. This angle is 55 degree
and beta is equal to 43 degrees.
What is the proof that the solution what we obtained is right or wrong? The two endpoint of the apparent length should be on the same straight line. If this condition is satisfied, that means to say that the solution is right. But we are not yet finished with the solution. What we wanted here, we wanted to find out something called as the shortest distance. That means to say that we should obtain the profile plane. Make use of any convenient distance. Draw one more plane. Let us call this plane as x1 and y1. Exactly at the intersection of two planes, that is xy and x1, y1, place a protractor and mark 45 degrees. Draw a 45 degree line here. From the point A, draw a line till it touches the 45 degree line. This will intersect at a point. I will call this point as point M. From this intersection point, draw one more line, one more vertical line till it touches the XY line. For those who are having doubt, what is the distance between these 2 points or this point? I mean to say, where should I take this XY line? So that XY line, you can take it at, this would be any convenient distance. A, C, D, any convenient distance from any convenient point. Don't you think projection from the point A, both will intersect at one common point, that is A double dash. Since this is the profile plane. Since this is towards the right hand side, we can call this as right profile plane. Next, projection from the point B, that is nothing but this origin, and the projection from the point B, both are intersecting at the plane point itself. We will call this one as B double dash. Make use of scale. Join A double dash to B double dash. What is double dash? That indicates the side view representation. That is the profile view representation. Yes, what is that we wanted to find out now? The shortest distance. Shortest distance actually refers to the true length of the straight line segment which is perpendicular to the two entities. We are having two entities here, A double dash and B double dash. We wanted a perpendicular line for this one. Take any convenient point, mark 90 degrees here. So this is the 90 degree, but make sure move the scale here. So this 90 degree should go from origin line. This line is now called as the shortest distance. Let us measure the shortest distance. This is somewhere around 4 centimeters, 40 mm. show this angle as 90 degrees. To finish the solution, let us show the flow of lines. We are moving towards the right hand side. Show the flow of lines towards right hand side, followed by upward arrow mark here. Followed by the same locus line is extended here. Also, not to forget, from this true length, it was downward direction and the arrow mark towards this end. And this arrow mark also was towards the upward direction. This is the point B1 dash. B1 dash when projected downward will be B1. Let us show this true length is equal to 100 mm. Thereby the solution is finished. Place a protractor on point A. 0 degree line should be in par with the true length line. Mark 90 degrees. Follow the same procedure here. Mark 90 degrees. Extend the line here. Extend the line here. Show this dimension as 100 mm. Therefore, as given in the question, the shortest distance between straight line AB and the line of intersection of planes of projection. Therefore, shortest distance between line AB and planes of projection is equal to 40 mm. This would be the answer. This is the straight line AB and this is the plane intersection of planes of projection. From here to here 90 degree would be the shortest distance. That is what we have found out. Hope you have understood and enjoyed this video. If yes, give this video a thumbs up and request you to share with your friends. Do subscribe to this channel for more such information video without any extra talks. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye. I will talk to you in the comments.